ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kajela ubak Preston Tensong. Haga shipau terik unailar arajar arpusau ulap lepat ba yau durmot Bashirin Yang jong Reverend JJM Nichols Roy yau bala nyau kumukpa ka 6 schedule bala teipen sakan mau Hamadan jong Larity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture kabadan ha New Shillong Township. Hagane kasngi kaban sa jengkan mau pateng la pateng la sakhi lang daki MDC jong ki shipau teli ki Autonomous District Council jong kathain chatei la mingi kuntop ru yau Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ke Sarkar Jelau ba poleng do u Chief Executive Member jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ba peniat sing CM u Chairman jong ka Tripura Mortha Party u Pradyut Manikia Deborman ki nongelam nakabalang ublay ki CM ki Sardar ki Rangba Shnong Kinong kit kam shnong bat ki wei pat ki bala syak hot ngobha.
We should not forget one thing. Reverend JJM Nichols Roy here in Meghalaya is popularly known as the father of 6 children. And I'm very sure that 6 children was his brain, along with our late Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India. And ultimately, we, the generation today, and the generation to come, we enjoy, and not only that, we are being guided constitutionally by their 6 children. We should not allow any misinterpretation of the Constitution of India, because some forces I could see nowadays, they said that this council in the present context is irrelevant. I think that is very unfortunate. It is really, really very unfortunate. Let me tell you, in the context of Meghalaya, we are as we are because of this council. Just a few years back, India was in the turmoil, I think we all know, before passing the CAB. But let me tell you gladly, just because of the 6 children, we were exempted from the purview of the CAA. So friends, I would like to again salute this greatest personality, and not only that, his family members, especially the church. He hails from the Church of God. The church leaders are here, the pastors are here. Thank you so much. You produced a wonderful and a very special personality in the name of Reverend JJM Nichols Roy. So let this small function will remain with us, and it will go down to the history not only of Meghalaya, but it will go down to the history of their 6 children in India.